يا جماعة الخير، بطارية الليثيوم فجرت بقلب الربيد.
هيدا الجهاز هو كان مفصول عن البطارية انفجرت، كانت حده البطارية الليثيوم الجديدة. خليك محمد بعيد شوي.
Information, we're still gathering the facts. I can't tell you in this moment what impact this will have. I certainly can't speak to what impact it might have on Hezbollah and its operations. Broadly speaking, we've been very clear, and we remain very clear, about the importance of all parties avoiding any steps that could further escalate the conflict that we're trying to resolve in Gaza, to see it spread to other fronts. It's clearly not in the interest of anyone involved to see that happen. And that's why, again, it's imperative that all parties refrain from any actions that could escalate the conflict. We're focused on getting this ceasefire over the finish line. That would also, I think, materially improve the prospects of actually defusing the situation in northern Israel and southern Lebanon, particularly creating an environment in which people have the confidence to return to their homes, the tens of thousands of displaced people in Israel as well as in southern Lebanon. Getting the ceasefire would facilitate getting to that kind of agreement, and that's clearly the best path forward for everyone involved. So, again, it's imperative that everyone avoid taking steps that could further escalate or spread the conflict.